Hello, my name is Jack. I am 16 years old. I am a student. I am in high school. My school is not very big, but it is nice. My teachers are kind. They are always helpful. I am happy at my school. This is my friend Lisa. She is 16 too. She is also a student. We are in the same class. Lisa is from England. She is English. Her parents are English too. They are very friendly. Lisa is smart and funny. She is a good friend. The people in the picture are my cousins. They are in Vietnam now. They are on vacation. Vietnam is far from here. It is a beautiful country. The food is very good. The people are nice. There are many big cities and small villages. My cousins are in the south of Vietnam. It is often sunny and warm there. But today, it is raining. It is not cold, just wet. They are in a hotel near the beach. The hotel is big and clean. It is not expensive. They are happy there. Look at the sky. It is blue now. The rain is stopping. It is a good time to go outside. My cousins are at the beach. They are swimming in the sea. The water is warm. They are having fun. I am not on vacation. I am at home. It is Saturday, and I am free today. I am writing a story for my English class. It is fun to write in English. English is not easy, but it is interesting. I want to be good at it. I am learning every day.
Beach, city, classroom, clean, cold, country, cousin, easy, expensive, food, free, friend, fun, happy, help, home, hotel, interesting, kind, learning, outside, parents, people, picture, rain, sea, sky, smart, south, story, student, sunny, swimming, teacher, vacation, village, warm, water, wet, right.